Welcome to a new video. Today's tutorial will show you how to repair the control unit camper module knob on various Volkswagen models using Minitools part SEP-KNO-B01. For this repair you will need one Torx T10 screwdriver, fine tip tweezers, round tip tweezers, Minitools part. Open the module by levering up the 4 plastic clips, as shown. Open both connectors and release the flats. Unscrew the 4 screws on the circuit. Release the board. Take out the original knob. You'll find the internal damaged gear. Position the new knob, making sure to insert it fully home. Refit the motherboard and screw it back onto the front. Check that the knob turns properly. Stretch and refit the flats into both connectors. Reclose the module. Restore power. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store minitools.com to find a wide range of parts and tools for repairing instrument clusters. Thank you for choosing Minitools.